Layla Gray. I am a part of Group 3 of our IT Capstone Project of creating a GUI application for keeping track of your funds. And my assignment from the beginning of the project was to um, create an ERD. So that we have a structured database design, and also um, create the schema and the tables for the user's data to go into once we created the um, GUI or the application per se. And these are the other tasks that were put in place for the other classmates. I know for sure that Julie and Brianna, they helped a lot with completing this project and getting the code for the actual GUI completed. And I'm going to actually show that really quick as well. This is the code that Julie worked on. And she actually connected this code to the tables that I created within MariaDB for our tables. She connected those two so that once we put information within the data, within the application, that it would go into the tables. So I'm going to show the application. And here we go. All right. So here we go. This is basically the database. I mean, not the database, but the GUI source work. Amount 1,000. Date today. Yeah, so here we go. Work $1,000. There's some tweaks that we possibly can make to this as well, but so far this is the base of the what's it called, the base of the GUI. And here is the ERD I created. I've showed this in the demo video, the first demo video. This is the ERD. This is basically all the tables that we have. Expense, you've seen that on the application. User, when you log in, income, and all that stuff. This is the code that I used to create these tables. And that will also be in MariaDB. Oh man, I got logged out. But yeah, so that will also be in MariaDB. Okay, log me out. Okay, yeah, I've showed you that, but yeah. So here is the code that I created for the tables. Here's the ERD that I created to create the code for the tables, and yes, Brianna was in charge of the logo, this logo here, and you can also create a new account if you needed to. And we also created a gyro board on top of the Excel task list that we created, because I feel like this would, even though the Excel is more organized in looking at what somebody has, but we also needed to see what they did, the stuff that they did. So I have uploaded my table code and to the things that I was assigned to. So, yeah. And you have the people, different people assigned to different things. So it just helps kind of organize it. Um, so yeah. This is the IT Capstone Project. We are actually done, I would say. This Jira is more updated than this. Because we already have the landing page. The function of the budget calculations is already calculated. That is what is calculated when you have the fund money remaining balance. Yeah, Julie helped a lot. Brianna helped a lot with this stuff. And that stand-up database is just basically the connection between the database I created for the tables and then also the actual code for the application. Yeah, so all this needs to be updated, but yeah, it is done as far as what we have done in the group. So yeah. And this is our team's group chat where we have been working out of. We did kind of stray away with me, Brianna, and Julie because some of the other teammates were not actually active for a minute, so we kind of went on and did our own thing. But yeah, so this is Group 3, and I'm Layla Gray for the IT Capstone.